What's up, guys? My name is Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today I am here with my dog Pepper, and we are going to show you a couple mods to prep your JK for your dog. Now, your dog's probably going to be in one of two places, either the cargo area or the back seat, and I picked out a couple of mods that will help you protect your interior and keep your pup safe and comfortable. Now, make sure you like and subscribe for more fun videos just like this, but what do you say we head around to the cargo area to check out those first mods? So the most common spot for your dog is probably going to be the rear cargo area, and we've got a couple mods back here to make it a little bit easier for you and for your dog. Now, the first mod is the Red Rock Easy Fold Pet Ramp. This is going to be a great mod to make sure that your dog can get in your cargo area much easier for a couple different scenarios. If you have a smaller dog, an older dog that can't jump up into the back, or you have a lifted Jeep like this one and it's a little bit tough to get into the back. Now, this ramp does have a treaded surface on it to make sure that it's easier to climb up. And as it says in the name, it is easy fold, so you can fold this up into a compact little box and store it inside the Jeep for whenever you need to use it next. Now, our next mod is the Cargo Cape in Charcoal. Now, as you can see, Pepper's laying on this, and it covers the entirety of the cargo area, which is great if your dog has rolled in something they shouldn't have, has muddy paws, or is wet, or even sheds a lot like Pepper. This is going to provide a good layer of protection to your interior and keep them very comfortable. It even has a heavy-duty bumper guard to prevent any scratching from their nails on the back bumper, and has Velcro to make sure it's not moving around while your dog is hanging out back here. Now, the last one is the Red Rock Rear Pet Barrier Net. This is going to keep your dog in the cargo area and avoid them jumping up into the back seat, which is going to be great if you do have people in the back seat or you just want to keep them safe and keep them in place. Now, the second place that your dog can hang out in your Jeep is in the back seat, and we've got a couple mods there, so let's go ahead and check them out. So the next most common spot where your dog is probably going to be is the back seat, and we've got a couple mods back here to show you. Now, starting with what me and Pepper are sitting on, this is the officially licensed by Jeep True Shield waterproof pet guard seat cover with the Jeep logo embroidered. Now, it's always a fantastic idea to protect your seats from your pets because they're shedding. They most likely have dirt or mud on their paws when they're jumping back inside the Jeep, and it's just a great solution to keep your seats free of any stains as well as scratching if you do have leather. Now, this is made of a thick, heavy-duty material. It is waterproof. It's going to provide a nice layer to prevent any of those things potentially getting to your seats. It's got adjustable straps around the headrest, inserts for the center of the seat, and straps around the sides to make sure that it's going to stay in place when your dog is getting in and out. Now, another mod is the car door covers in black. Now, these are great if your dog is constantly hanging out the window, drooling and pawing at the sides of your doors, and you want to make sure that your interior is protected from that and mess-free, no matter what kind of interior you have. Now, those are made of a heavy-duty waterproof material as well. They are fully machine washable, so if they do get messy, you can throw them in the washing machine, and they also have a couple pockets so you can use some additional storage there. Now, our next mod is the Pet Backseat Auto Zipline with the leash, and this is a great solution if you want to keep your pet secure and safe in the back seat. You want to avoid them from jumping in the front or even the cargo area if you have gear back there, and still provide them the flexibility of moving to both sides of the Jeep if you have your windows open and they want the option of either window. Now, this has a heavy-duty nylon construction. It's very thick, so it's pretty much chew-proof. You also have heavy-duty carabiners on either side and rubber hooks that will hook into the sports bar to make sure that this is secure. So that is going to wrap it up for this quick video on mods to prep your JK for your dog. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.